Good morning, students. Now we are going to see about the topic pollution control boards and pollution control acts in India. Actually, it has been taken from Benny Joseph Environment Science and Engineering textbook. Okay. Central Pollution Control Board, which is called CPCB. Principal functions of this Central Pollution Control Board, as spelled out in the Water Act and the Air Act. Water prevention and control of pollution. So those two things only it is mainly focused, and the main functions of these two are to promote cleanliness of streams and wells in different areas of the states by prevention, control and abatement of water pollution. And the second one is to improve the quality of air and to prevent, control or abate air pollution in the country. The Water Act. Water Act means Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. The Water Act, what it actually consisting? So it is giving a guidelines to the pollution, various state pollution control boards. What are they? No person shall knowingly cause or permit any poisonous, noxious or polluting matter determined in accordance with such standards as may laid down by the state board to enter into any stream, that is water body, stream or well. That is, as we know, wells in our homes itself, some many have wells as a water reservoir or sewer or an land. That is the main thing. And the second one is no person shall knowingly cause or permit to enter into any stream, any other matter which may tend either directly or in combination with similar matters to impede the proper flow of the water of the system, of the stream in a matter leading or likely to lead to a substantial aggravations of pollution due to other causes or of its consequences. And it is continuing, no person shall without the previous consent of the state pollution control boards. Okay, so it is again giving the guidelines, establish or take any steps to establish any industry operation or process or any treatment and disposal system or an extension or addition thereto which is likely to discharge sewage or trade effluent into stream or well or sewer or on land, or bring into use any new or altered outlets for the discharge of sewage, or begin to make any new discharge of sewage. These are the guidelines to be given by the Central Pollution Control Board against Water Act. Okay. The next one is the Air Act, Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. This is an act to provide for the prevention, control and abatement of air pollution, for the establishment of boards with a view to carrying out the air pollution control and for conferring on and assigning to such boards powers and functions relating thereto and for matters connected therewith. This is the only thing regarding